Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove GMC Sierra door panels. First, gather your tools, including a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, and a plastic trim removal tool. For safety, always disconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery before starting any electrical work. Begin by carefully prying off the small trim piece around the interior door handle. This will expose the first set of screws you need to remove to proceed. Next, look for any hidden screws that secure the door panel. These are commonly found behind the door handle in the armrest pocket or along the bottom edge of the panel. Use your Phillips or 7mm socket to remove them. Then, gently pry off the door lock knob, often held by small clips. Also, locate and remove any plastic push-in pins, usually at the front of the door, using your trim removal tool. With all screws and pins removed, it's time to detach the main panel. Starting from a lower corner, use your plastic trim removal tool to carefully pry the door panel away from the door frame, releasing the retaining clips. Work your way around the edges until all clips are free. Once the panel is loose, lift it straight up to clear the window channel. Finally, disconnect all electrical connectors for switches, speakers, and any courtesy lights before setting the panel aside. To reassemble, first ensure all retaining clips are securely in place on the door panel. Reconnect all electrical harnesses for your switches, speakers, and lights, making sure each connection clicks firmly into place. Align the door panel with the window channel and push it down, then firmly press around the edges to re-engage all the clips. Reinstall all screws and trim pieces. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.